how to set default microphone in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to go to the search bar on the taskbar and search for settings. Now go ahead and hit open. And now on the left hand side, go to system and there you'll find sound. Tap on sound and then scroll down and you'll find the input option. So here you can see microphone array as a default device. So you can even put a new input device. You can tap on add device and then you can just tap on it and then you can set it as default. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.